guys, welcome back to my channel. Yesterday we have seen about arrays and the basic methods or functions about arrays. Today we shall see how to add values to the array by the user. Okay. So remember that while asking user for the values to the array, we do not know the length of the array. So we ourselves must give a random length. Let us see while writing the program. Firstly, let me define an array. Array2 is equals to array.Array. Here I do not have imported any array module here, so let me import it first. Import array as ar. Okay? Yeah. Now I want my array to be of type integer and I do not have any elements within this. I want my user to add elements to this array. Okay. So I'm giving an empty array here with two square parentheses, two square brackets, and then I'll ask how many elements, that is the length of the array, to the user. N is equals to int input, enter the length of the array. Now we want only certain number of times, that is n number of times, to ask for the value, right? And if you ask number of times and the loop will go on executing, then the user will get irritated, right? So we want only n number of times to be asked for the value. So let us loop through n for I in range n colon, do not forget colon here. And if you are using any text editor, do not forget to indent your blocks. My for loop block is started for I in range ask value. This time I want to ask value to my user. As my array is of type integer, I am giving it int. If you want of type string, you do not need to give any type here. And if you want of type float, you can give type float here. Okay, you can change as per your need. Okay, now I'm asking value int input. I'm having my prompt, enter the value at index I. Okay, now I'll append these values to my array. Array2 dot append. Yeah, now I'll have ask value here. Now my array has been created. Now I'll print. You can use print statement, or else you want to just see the elements of the array, you can also use for loop. Okay, now I'll print this. Yeah, enter the length of the array. I want my array to be length, let me say 7. Type error, input expected, one most argument got 2. Yeah, I'll remove this. Now I'll run it again. Length of the array, again I have 7. Enter the value at index. I have my first value to be 1, second value to be 2, third value to be 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yeah, my array has been printed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this way you can add elements to the array by asking user for his input without giving any input. Firstly, remember that import array module, and here I have given an alias name for that. You can give alias name, or you can directly import array as it is. And then I have asked the length of the array and looping through the length and asking the values until the length, that is here I have asked for 7 values, so 7 times my loop has been executed. And finally, appending the value, this statement creates your array, and finally I have printed my array. Okay, in this way you can write a program to create an array by user defined values. Okay, so that's all. Tomorrow we shall come about a new topic. Bye.